Now we are going to see number system. In those number systems, we are going to solve the problems of finding the unit digit or the last digit of the number. This is our topic. So first problem, find the unit digit of 2 power 54. Here 2 into 2 into 2 up to 54 times. The last digit is finding somewhat difficult. Here I will tell the some shortcut method. For example, you take the multiples of 4. For example, you take the number 4. It can be written as 1 into 4 plus remainder is 0. That is, this system is called 4n plus 0 system. If you take 5, number 5, can be written as 1 into 4 plus 1. That is 4n plus 1 system. If you take 6, it can be written as 1 into 4 plus 1, which is 4n plus 2 system. Similarly, if you take number 7, it can be written as 1 into 4 plus 1, plus 2 plus 3, the remainder is 3, 4n plus 3 system. So this you remember. Now we apply this rule 4n plus 0, 4n plus 1, 4n plus 2, 4n plus 3. Here you take the power 54. It can be written as, in multiples of 4, 13 into 4 plus 2. Remainder is 2. So this is a 4n plus 2 system. So it can be written as 2 power remainder 2 is remainder 2. So 2 power 2 is 4. So the last digit for this is 4. Take the second problem. 32 power 91. And what will be the last digit? Here 91, you take this power 91, it can be written as 22 into 4 plus 3. This is 4n plus 3 system. So this, you take the remainder, that is 3. So you take the last digit here 2. So it's 32 power 3, or you take this last digit 2. So 2 power 3, that's 8. Here the last digit in this will be 8. Then you take third problem. 13 power 121. You need not square the number or cube the number. It's a very simple, effective and easy technique to find the last digit or the unit digit of the number. So you take 121, which can be written in the multiples of 4. 30 into 4 plus 1 is 4n plus 1 system. The remainder is 1. So 13 power 1 or 3 power 1, the last digit is 3. Fourth, 7 power 73. Can be written as 18 into 4 plus 1, that is 4n plus 1. Here 7 power 1, the remainder, you take 7 power 1 is 7. So unit digit is 7. The unit digit or last digit is 7. So fifth problem, you see, 29 to the power 39. So what will be the last digit? Here it can, so you can also written as 28 plus 1 to the power 39. Here you see 28 is divisible by 4 and the remainder will be 0. Remainder is 0. So 28 power 0 plus 1 power 39. So it will be only this 1 power 39, which is 1. So last digit will is 1. A sixth problem. (777) to the power 777. So somewhat difficult. You see here 777 can be written as 194 in multiples of 4 plus 1, that is 4n plus 1. And see 777 to the power 1, so it's a 7 power 1, so last digit is 7. So last digit 7. Listen here the problem. What will be the remainder when 29 power 36 is divided by 28? So here 36 is exactly divided by 4 and the remainder is 0. Hence this 29 power 36 is exactly divided by 28, so the remainder is 0. So the eighth problem, 52 power 97 into 43 power 72. Here 97 can be written as 24 into 4 plus 1, which is 4n plus 1. 72 can be written as 18 into 4 plus the remainder is 0, that is 4n plus 0. So here it implies 52 power 1, here the remainder is 1, so take 52, and 43 power 0, which is 2 into 1, the unit last digit is 2. Last digit is 2. The ninth problem, you take 53 power 96 into 42 power 11 divided by 92 power 53 into 11 power 43. Here 96 is exactly divided by 4 and remainder will be 0. So you can write to 53 power 0 into 42. 11 can be written as 4n plus 3, that is 8 plus 3. So the remainder is 3. 92 in 53, 52 plus 1 is a 4n plus 1, the remainder is 1. In 11, 43, 42 plus 1 is a 4n plus 1, so power 1. It can be written as, see, anything power 0 is 1. Here 2, 42 is last digit 2 power 3 you take, is a 2 power 1. 2 power 1, 2, 1 power 1, which is 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 1 is 2, this is 4. So last digit is will be 4. I think it will be easy for solve this problem. Like this, any number is given, you use this formula 4n plus 0 and 4n plus 2, this system. And also I will show the another format. You write down this format. See here, the number, the power having 4n plus 1, 4n plus 2, 4n plus 3, 4n plus 0. If the number ends with, suppose the number ends with 8, it has a power of 4n plus 1, the last digit will be 8. If it is a 4n plus 2, it will be 4. It is 4n plus 3, it will be 2. It is 4n exactly divisible, it is 6. So like this you follow this table so that you will be able to answer more complicated questions. If you like this video, you subscribe. Thank you.